Hello, and welcome to another IC3D Quick-byte. Today we're going to be taking a look at dynamic backgrounds, taking our background and our render to the next level. First thing you're going to want to do is have your package ready to go. I've completed this tuck package alongside with its crackers inside, and we're going to be adding this to an actual store shelf. To do this, we're going to need to head over to our Backgrounds tab, and for those of you who don't know, that's Window Backgrounds. And inside of here, we have an option from Color or Dynamic Background. We're going to select Dynamic, and from here, we're going to go down into our Dynamic Background options, and we're going to select this small plus. This should be Create a New Background. Once you hit Create, the background editor should open, and this is what we're going to follow for creation of the background. First things first, we're going to add a background image. Double-clicking our background, this will now import it into the scene. And as you can see, we're going to aim to put our product right next to these other tuck packages. The next step is to add a masked foreground. Now, you don't need this, but it helps greatly in terms of a 3D render. What a masked foreground will do is add a mask on top of your image to allow for your 3D models to go underneath that image, but above your main background. For example, we've got our tuck foreground, and that is simply this area here, cut out from our main image, and set aside so that when we place our 3D objects in the scene, it should go underneath this shelving and underneath our tuck packages on the right. Next, we want to calculate our field of view. Using the camera calibrator, we're going to go ahead and create a 3D version of our shelf using two axes, our X and our Z. Align these perspective lines into your shelf area to allow for an artificial platform to be created. This platform that we're creating here is actually going to be what IC3D uses to place your object in the scene. Once done, click the Calculate View again to save. Now from here, we're ready to go with our background, foreground, and camera calibration. So we're going to hit Save As. We can now save this as whatever new dynamic background we would like, as we can reuse this background as many times as we'd like. And like that, our product is now sitting nicely on a shelf alongside other tuck products. Now, of course, one more thing we're going to want to do is match the lighting. Head on over to your lighting editor, and we're going to go ahead and create a new lighting rig based on the background of this image. Go on over to Backgrounds, scroll down to 2D Image, and go ahead and open up your background. As you can see, the IC3D lighting editor will match the background's image and display lights according to the image that you've given it. In this case, our tuck background and our tuck shelf. And now we're ready for a final render, and we can send this off to the render manager. Thank you so much for joining me on this IC3D Quick-byte. My name's Adam Chop, and stay tuned for a lot more.
Take care.